Hello students, good afternoon. In the previous class, we started with our first chapter, that is Maharashtra before Shivaji. We will make a quick revision of what we have learned. So students, now we know that the time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the medieval period. Those days, kings used to rule everywhere. Some kings used to just enjoy their own life and did not bother about the poor people. But there were some good kings too. And who were they? Yes, the King Akbar and King Krishna Devaraya. They used to look after the needs and problems of the people. Because of their generous nature, they are famous in history. And like them, Shivaji also attained great respect because he also used to help the people. Students, we saw that Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. We learnt that before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free. A large part of Maharashtra was under whom? Was under Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. They were enemies of each other and they used to fight a lot. And who suffered because of them? Yes, the people. The people suffered. They were treated badly. They did not get enough food. They were not safe in their homes. Students, there were many Watandars too. What does the word Watandar mean? Do you remember? Yes, Watandars are the people who owned a piece of land or property. And these Watandars were the Deshmukhs and the Deshpandis. They only loved their Jagirs. Jagirs mean piece of land. They did not look after the country or people. They only loved their Jagirs. And even they used to fight among each other, which brought unhappiness to the people. So students, till here we saw in the previous class. Now we will see what Shivaji Maharaj did to bring happiness to the people. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. Students, then who all saw this? Yes, Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He then took the task of establishing Swaraj. Task means work or duty. The task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra. Now we know that what does the word Swaraj means. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. He saw that people were suffering because of Nizam Shah, Adil Shah, Deshmukh and Deshpandis. Because of them, these people were dying and the people were unhappy. So Shivaji Maharaj decided to establish Swaraj, which would bring happiness to the people. He first brought to book the Watandars who fought among themselves. So he first made the Deshmukhs and the Deshpandis stop fighting against each other and troubling the people. Then he included both of them, the Deshpandis and the Deshmukhs, in his plan to set up or to establish Swaraj. He fought against the powers that oppressed the people and defeated them. Now Shivaji Maharaj fought against the powers. Here the word powers means Nizam Shah and Adil Shah. So Shivaji fought against the Nizam Shah and Adil Shah who were troubling the people. He established Hindui Swaraj based on injustice, fair play and equal treatment to people for all caste and religions. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. He honored the saints of all religions. We draw inspiration from these noble deeds of Maharaj. So Shivaji Maharaj then he established his own kingdom. It was a good kingdom. People were treated equally. This kingdom was called as the Hindui Swaraj. The rules over here were fair to everyone. No one was scared or troubled. Shivaji Maharaj did not make any difference between the Hindus and the Muslims. During a period of about 300 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many saints were born in Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in his successful effort of establishing Swaraj. We shall see in the next chapter what these saints did. Students, about 300 to 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj was born, there were many saints in Maharashtra. Saints like Sant Tukaram, Sant Eknath, Sant Jnaneshwar, and many more. These saints did a lot of work that helped Shivaji Maharaj later in establishing Swaraj. He respected all the saints of all religions. In the next chapter, we will see what these saints did. Students, I hope you all understood this chapter.